Today on Mike Attempts, digging up a septic blockage. In a previous video, I removed a root blockage from this line with an electric drain auger, but in less than a year it was blocked again, causing backflow into the distribution box. I ended up buying this $40 manual drain auger instead of renting the electric one again, and it actually works great. But today, I'm only using it as a measuring tool. Over a year and a half after my previous septic video, it's time for a more permanent fix. Since the blockage seems to be less than 10 feet down the pipe, I'm going to dig it up. Getting close. I think I found the problem. This looks like a case of not bothering to measure twice. That's the end of the PVC pipe. Also, I'm no plumber, but this seems like a terrible angle to connect these pipes. Completely packed solid with roots. There's the rest that was in the white pipe. I then spent quite a bit of time ripping all the roots out of the entrance to the black pipe. There's also a hole in the side of the black pipe that I'll need to fix. Here's everything I pulled out. Looks good in there now. I cleaned up the side of the pipe the best I could and made a patch from a plastic lid. I globbed on some roof caulk and slapped it on the pipe. I picked up a 22.5 degree elbow, but there wasn't enough room, so I cut the pipe back a bit. Still not enough. I cut off a small section of pipe to go on the end of the elbow and glued it together with some medium PVC cement. Once I was sure everything would fit, I glued the new elbow to the old pipe. I covered the connection and my patch with the rest of the roof caulk. Then filled in the hole. I feel like this issue has been repaired properly now, or at least better than it was when originally installed, and it should last a long time. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.